Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel where we help young hustlers like you turn small investments into big returns. If you've ever dreamed of starting a business, but felt held back by a tight budget, this video is for you. We're diving into 15 low-investment business ideas that offer high profit potential. And yes, they're perfect even if you're starting from scratch. Whether you're still in college, working a day job, or just looking for that first entrepreneurial spark, these ideas can help you build real income streams with under $500, or even less. Ready to take notes? Let's jump in. Business idea number 1, freelance services. Got a skill? Turn it into a service. Whether it's graphic design, copywriting, social media management, or video editing, there's massive demand online. Sites like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer make it easy to connect with paying clients. Your startup cost? Pretty much just time and a laptop. Use Canva Pro for professional-looking designs, even if you're not a designer. Profit tip. Once you land a few clients, consider turning your service into a small agency for even more income. Business idea number 2, dropshipping. This one's a classic, and for good reason. With dropshipping, you sell products online without ever touching inventory. All you need is a Shopify store and a supplier via AliExpress or Spocket. When someone buys from your store, the supplier ships the product directly to them. Try Shopify's 3-day free trial and start building today. Profit tip. Focus on niche products with passionate audiences, like eco-friendly gadgets or pet accessories. Business idea number 3, print on demand. Want to sell custom t-shirts, hoodies, or mugs with cool designs? Print on demand lets you do just that, without buying stock up front. Sites like Printful or Printify integrate with your online store. Print your designs and ship them out automatically. Check out Printify for seamless integrations and quality printing. Profit tip. Use trends or funny sayings to create viral designs that sell fast. Business idea number 4, social media management. Small businesses struggle to stay active on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook, and they'll gladly pay you to do it for them. You don't need a marketing degree, just a good sense of content, consistency, and scheduling tools like Buffer or Later. Profit tip. Charge monthly retainers for steady income. Start with local businesses or solo entrepreneurs. Business idea number 8, homemade products. If you're crafty, this one's a winner. Handmade candles, soaps, jewelry, or even baked goods can be sold online or locally. Startup cost is low, and people love buying unique artisan items. Bonus tool. Use Etsy to reach a built-in audience of buyers who love handmade goods. Profit tip. Use eco-friendly ingredients and packaging to stand out. Business idea number 6, digital products. This is passive income gold. Create ebooks, planners, templates, or guides, and sell them over and over again on platforms like Gumroad or Etsy. Once it's made, there's zero cost per unit. That's maximum profit. Profit tip. Focus on topics like budgeting, productivity, or business templates, things people search for constantly. Business idea number 7, pet sitting and dog walking. If you love animals, this one's a no-brainer. Busy pet parents need someone to care for their furry friends while they're away. Start with friends and neighbors, then expand via platforms like Rover or social media. Profit tip. Bundle services, e.g., 3 walks per week at a discounted rate for recurring income. Business idea number 8, tutoring or online coaching. Are you good at math, science, a language, or even gaming? Turn that knowledge into tutoring sessions. You can do it online via Zoom using a simple setup. Parents and students are willing to pay for results. Bonus tool. Use Calendly, free version, to schedule appointments easily. Profit tip. Offer free first sessions to build testimonials. Business idea number 9, affiliate marketing. Product, no problem. Promote other people's products and earn a commission when someone buys through your link. Use YouTube, Instagram, or even a blog. Great for those who love content creation. Try Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or Impact. Profit tip. Create product review videos or tutorials for evergreen traffic. Business idea number 10, local errand service. People are busy, and you can help. Whether it's grocery shopping, package drop-offs, or running errands, there's money to be made doing the little things. Start small in your neighborhood. Word of mouth spreads fast. Profit tip. Offer senior citizen discounts to tap into an underserved market. Business idea number 11, mobile car wash or detailing. All you need is some basic equipment, water access, and a few cleaning supplies. Market to people who want their car cleaned while they work or relax at home. This is especially great in suburban areas. Profit tip: upsell services like interior detailing or waxing for extra income. Business idea number 12, reselling thrift or clearance items. Visit thrift stores, garage sales, or clearance racks and flip items online for profit. Use eBay, Poshmark, Mercari, or Facebook Marketplace. Bonus tool: the eBay app's barcode scanner helps you find item values on the spot. Profit tip: specialize in a niche like vintage tees, sneakers, or collectibles. Business idea number 13, YouTube automation channel. Faceless YouTube is a booming model. You don't need to be on camera. Just script, voiceover, and stock footage. Pick a niche like business, motivation, or top 10 lists. Tools: use InVideo or Pictory to create engaging videos easily. Profit tip: monetize with YouTube ads, affiliate links, and sponsorships. Business idea number 14, event or party planning freelance. Love organizing events? You can plan birthdays, baby showers, or corporate events without needing a big upfront investment. Start by planning events for friends, then scale with referrals and social proof. Profit tip: partner with vendors and take a referral fee. Business idea number 15, digital marketing services for local businesses. So many local businesses don't know how to run Facebook or Google ads, but you can learn and offer the service. Courses are cheap or even free, and clients are often willing to pay hundreds a month for results. Learning tool: check out free courses on Google Skillshop or HubSpot Academy. Profit tip: offer a results-based model at first, like charging based on leads or sales generated. And there you have it, 15 low-investment business ideas with high profit potential. Whether you want to build a side hustle or go full-time, the only thing standing between you and success is getting started. Start small, learn as you go, and don't wait for perfect. Let us know in the comments which idea stood out to you the most, and if you've already tried one, share your experience. If you found value in this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more low-investment business ideas, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a future upload. Thanks for watching. And remember, you don't need a lot of money to start a great business, just a smart plan and a little hustle. See you in the next video.